Move. Cindy Coach Nate.
They did something to just like simply related to the child. But she hasn't came across the trouble. I mean, I don't. I never even like I didn't get this. Yeah, you have. Like, I would say I don't like. It would have been either way. Like, I don't whatever.
Back on the wall.
Like marching close to the time. Yeah. Especially if she even if she actually comes out. Yeah, I do too. This is because I mean, and like that is one thing I did love about her.
3 weeks from yesterday.
It was my first year.
Is this the second?
Because she was like, y'all right, that was one thing honestly I liked.
Wanna be. That's a good combination. It is.
And not because like what you want, like really what was best for you. Oh, I don't want like I want it for my kids. I want my partner with me. Like, I want the best for my kids. I don't. I think definitely we go with. Yeah. I don't like oh they have crazy. No, I don't care. I just went through such a hard time.
What was he doing?
He was hanging all over one of the big kids over there. I don't have a
I forgot the collar, buddy. I'm sorry. You'll be all right. It's almost over.
Yeah.
Mom, you feel better? It's almost over. You're going to go hard.
He couldn't because he's like, they would have left. Every other day, so they
Ash, about run with the sucker. Come here and come over here. Come over here and tell Mama what she's going to do.
I think she was
Then I can turn the glove. You can flip your glove, just drop your hand. You can get tagged out.
oh, that one is by far exclamation mark. 70,000 stars.
This time.
Oh, I know she did it. She saw purple. This was she saw purple. And it was like she saw all the things.